Today, I'll show you how to fade video to white in DaVinci Resolve, making your transition smooth and professional. But whether you're working on a film project or just jazzing up your latest home video, a clean fade to white can add that extra touch of polish. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. This is the hub for all your editing needs, and it's where we'll be crafting our fade effect. Once you're on the edit page, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the effects library. Click on it and a world of creative possibilities will open up for you. Within the effects library, look for the generators category. This is where you'll find various tools to help enhance your video, including the one we need today. Click on generators and you'll see a list of options. From this list, you'll want to select solid color. This tool allows you to overlay a solid color, which we'll use to create our fade effect. Now, drag the solid color generator onto a track above your video. Think of this as layering a sheet of paper on top of your footage. This new layer is what will become the fade out effect. Make sure you have enough space on your timeline to accommodate this additional track, as it needs to be above the video you're transitioning from. With the solid color now on your timeline, it's time to customize it. Click on the clip to select it and head over to the inspector panel on the right side of your screen. The inspector is your go-to for making detailed adjustments to any clip. Here, you'll see options for changing the color. Since we're fading to white, you'll want to set the color to pure white. This will ensure a clean, bright transition that looks professional and seamless. Next, you need to trim the white clip to match the desired duration of your fade effect. Click on the edge of the white clip and drag it to adjust its length. The length of this clip will determine how long the fade lasts, so adjust it according to your project's needs. A shorter clip will result in a quick fade, while a longer one will give you a more gradual transition. The final step is to add a cross-dissolve effect between your video clip and the white clip. The cross-dissolve is a classic transition effect that gently blends one clip into another. Go back to the effects library, and under the video transitions category, you'll find cross-dissolve. Drag this effect onto the seam between your video and the white clip. As you do this, you'll see the two clips merge into a beautiful fade to white. And there you have it. Your video now transitions smoothly to white, offering a polished and professional look. This technique is perfect for ending scenes, creating dramatic pauses, or just adding a touch of flair to your project. With DaVinci Resolve, you have the power to create stunning visual effects like this with ease and precision. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.